Krista Simpson. I'm a 9th grade world geography teacher at Wando High School in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. My capstone video is about my project, The Power to Change the World. For Phase 2, I had my students do an activity called the Geography of Stuff. Students made lists of where their home items were from. They used National Geographic's map it to show where their stuff was from. In groups, they compiled the list of these places, ranked them for commonality, and then created posters with maps showcasing the country's CO2 levels and average income of the people living there. We discussed whether they would want to live there or work there, why pollution was higher in other countries, and wages were lower. This really seemed to make kids see and understand how globally connected we all are. Power to Change the World project was inspired by the video Kid Warrior Fights Climate Change on National Geographic, founder of Earth Guardians. Martinez is a teenager just like them. The biggest difference is that he is working on changing the world. Throughout the year, we have learned about human impact on the environment, and my students always became frustrated with this. So this project is meant to inspire change. After the video, students were given a list of 30 article titles that I found on National Geographic. Students picked 3 articles they were interested in reading. I placed students into groups of 2 to 3 based on their article interest. For part 1 of the project, students created a PowerPoint explaining the environmental issue of their article. They also had to research what was being done to help or fix the problem along with what we could do. Students were given 2 days to work in computer labs at school. The second part of the project was create an awareness poster. One group member would share the poster on social media. If all group members did, they would earn extra credit. Awareness is key to inspiring change, and the students really got into this part of the project. The final part of the project was the presentation of their PowerPoint and to display their posters, also to make sure they had shared them on social media. Now the students have investigated, engaged, explored, connected, and learned on a more personal and lasting level than they have all year. I even had a couple of groups donate to their causes.